She likes my shirt. You like my shirt? You didn't tip. $3 for 6 miles. Take the bus there, bozo. She didn't even tip. How'd she say she liked my shirt? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is DoorDash. Only DoorDash. Sadly, I don't have Uber Eats anymore. Y'all know. There's some people going around saying I was deactivated for other reasons. And I'm like, girl, get your facts straight. I was hacked. I made 2 videos about it, so if you don't know what happened to my Uber Eats account, I was hacked. Like, look back in my videos. Acknowledge yourself before you just start putting out false information like that. So we are only doing DoorDash today. That's what I've been doing lately. Only DoorDash. I don't consider myself a multi-apper anymore because I don't have Uber Eats, and it's sad because DoorDash has been quite hard for me to schedule with. As you've seen in my last video, I did a couple hours this morning in Brandon, and I'm in Plant City now. I scheduled for a couple hours. It's 11:15. I just got my first order. It's up here at the McDonald's. It was $6.75 for like 2.5 miles. It could go up. It was 4 items, so I don't think it's gonna go up, but it's gonna be our first order of the day. Let's head over there and pick it up. Thank you. I got the goods. So this looks like a trailer park. So how have y'all been doing DoorDash? How's it been? In my last video, I was talking about how it's been hard for me to schedule, which still is. Somebody mentioned that it might be because my completion rate is under 95, which it's 94. So I was like, let me entertain that idea for a minute. And I did some research, and I see that that's like a trend going on, where if you're lower than 95 completion rate, you might have trouble scheduling for more than like 30 minutes, an hour here or there at a time. My completion rate is only that low because I had Uber Eats. So let's say I got this order on DoorDash and then another banger order came in on Uber Eats, I would unassign this one and go do this one. That's why my completion rate is, I mean, it's not that low. It's 94. I guess it is pretty low, but it's gonna get higher. Like, in a matter of days, it's gonna get over the 95%, and then I'll be able to let you guys know if it's easier for me to schedule. Fingers crossed. A lot of you were saying it's because I'm not a top dasher. Nowhere near it. That's not going to change though. 2 porches facing the road. And it was the $6.75 that I was offered. It didn't go up at all. So if you're new to my channel, I do DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Amazon Fresh, and I'm on the wait list for Spark and Instacart. So currently, right now, like Grubhub is like dead in my area. There's no sense really even turning it on. I do want to give it another try. Not in this area though. We're in Plant City, which I'll put on the screen. It's like a small area. It's a really small town. So all of the restaurants are basically in this red zone, and you go to the customer's house and you're gonna come right back to this one red zone. But the good thing about it being a small town is you're basically near every single restaurant is within a mile. I put a poll on my YouTube feed, so if you voted, thank you. And it looks like DoorDash got 34% of the votes. Then it's Amazon, and then it's little old Grubhub that nobody really cares about at 12%. But the most votes went to I'll watch anything. I just got a Chili's order for $12 for 4.1 miles. But basically I'm going 2 miles to the Chili's and then like the 2 miles back over here. I have 2, Sara and Judith. And then it should say chocolate milk on one of them. Okay, thank you. So one of them, yes, so Sara has a chocolate milk. So this first order, that's how they get you with these double orders. This first one is $3.
Hi.
Hi, for Judith.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. I like your shirt.
Thank you. Alright, I didn't realize I was filming my face. She likes my shirt. You like my shirt? You didn't tip. $3 for 6 miles. Take the bus there, bozo. She didn't even tip. How'd she say she liked my shirt? Alright, I'm getting a $6 1.5 miles right here at the Beef O'Brady. So literally in the plaza I'm sitting in, so why not? Let's go bust this one out. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Take the next right after Papa John's Pizza on the right, then your destination will be on the right.
You heard her? After Papa John's Pizza, make a right. When do they ever say that? Like, that is the directions I need. Don't tell me go north, northeast. I need those kind of directions.
Is on the right.
After you see the Papa John's, make a turn. Alright, I got my next order at a taco place. Oh my god, it smells so good. My hair always looks crazy. Alright, so that puts me at $33 for about an hour and 40 minutes. Not too bad. If I add that to the hours I did this morning, I would be at like $75. So, not too bad. I still got like 30 minutes left on this dash. I'm gonna try to extend it. I need to stop and like use the bathroom, get some kind of snack. I am starving, and I think I'm gonna end the video here for you guys. I still cannot believe I got that on camera where she said she liked my shirt. Like, I'm gonna make a TikTok out of that for sure. Follow me on Instagram, the link is down below. I don't make these videos to flaunt what I make or complain about what I don't make. I just want to share my shift with you guys, share my orders, show you how I'm doing it. Maybe it could help you out and y'all could help me out. So let me know if you got anything from this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.